Greetings, Star Trek fans and fans of Star Trek modeling. This is Trekriffic here with another installment in the my ongoing Revell Voyager build, USS Voyager build that I've been building for quite a few months now. I'm at the stage now, though, where she is basically finished. Yeah, I put the final clear coats on, finished the Aero shuttle or the Aero wing and the Delta Flyer, and put the decal on the base, put some foam on the bottom of the base. So she's ready for photography purposes, really. Once the weather gets a little better, I can open the garage door and set up my little photography studio and take some better pictures. But for right now, all I've got are these, what I call dirty workbench pics. So it's a little bit cluttered. It's not really that dirty. Anyway, so here's some shots of the finished Voyager. I wanted to send you guys. These are basically kind of like teasers. As I say, until I can get my photography studio up and really get some decent backgrounds for these shots. And so the base has a decal on it that shows Voyager exiting a cloud of gas or dust particles circling a planet, I believe. It's a scene from the Voyager intro. So I have that on the base, and also again the Aero wing is on a little stand of its own on the base, on the black base, black rod, and the Delta Flyer actually sits on the fantail with its little rare earth magnets holding on for dear life. But I can actually pluck that off, and I have another rare earth magnet in the base. There's kind of an indentation right there, opposite the Aero wing, in line with the big brass tube. So it can sit on the base, or I can have it on the fantail if I want to show it again, parked outside the bay. So there she is. Again, lots better stuff to come. Just wanted you guys to kind of see where she was at. I know a lot of people have been following this build, and I really appreciate all the support I've gotten from not only fans of Star Trek and Star Trek modeling, but other Star Trek modelers themselves. Really appreciate, again, all the input. Let me just do one more thing. I'll turn out the light. You can see what it looks like in the dark. Boy, it gets really bright, doesn't it? Look at those warp engines. Whew. Of course, you can see all the flashers. And once more, there's the Delta Flyer. Yeah, I couldn't be happier with how those decals turned out. Meatloaf over on All Scale Trek. Shout out to you for a great job on the decals for the Flyer and the Aero wing. So that's it. Again, more to come as soon as the weather gets better, and I'll have lots more to share. Okay, take care. I hope you're all having a good Sunday, what is it, afternoon? Well, having a good Sunday anyway. So I'll catch you next time, and go All Scale Trek. Bye-bye.